Okay, so let's go ahead and start going through our numbers. Are you guys ready? Okay, 0 through 80, here we go. You guys got that one?
What's that one again?
21. 2. You guys remember that one? 3. You got it. 23. So it's like a 2 and then 3. 2 and 3. 23. 24. 25. 26. 7, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, double number, 33, good, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 32, 43, 44, good job. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, double number, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. You got it? Are we good? Okay. 61. Do 61. 61. 62. 63. It's like a tongue twister with your fingers. And you guys are getting really, really good. You're like to 60 before you're like, ah! It's really good. Okay. Breathe. Put your hands there for a second. We're going to start at 60. Okay, ready? 60. 60. 61. 62. 63, 64, 65, double number, 66. Okay, now remember this one? So going in towards your head is the bigger number and out to the sides is the smaller number. So 67, so 67, 68, 69, then we have 70, 70.
I can't do
70. Yeah. It takes a lot of practice, 70. But that's okay. If you can go 7, 0, you're totally good. Okay, so 70, 70, or 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Okay, just the bigger number first. So 76, double number, 77. Okay, 78, smaller number on the outside. 78, 79, 80, 80.
So much easier than
Is better than 70? Okay, so 81. No, go get it. 82, 83, 84, 85. Okay, so bigger number first. 86, 87. Okay, double number. 88. Okay, smaller number to the outside. 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. Bigger number to the inside. 96, 97, 98. Double number. 99, 100. Okay, so there's two ways that you can do 100. I usually do 100 this way, like this, but you can also do 1C is 100. So like the Roman numeral for 100 is C. So it's 1C, Or you can just do the abbreviated version, which is 100. 100.
Could you do it the same way with like the 200?
Uh-huh. So sneak preview of next week.
How about 400?
Yes, okay. You can go up this high. You can go up to 300 doing it that way. So you can go 100, 200, or you can do 2C, and you can do 300, or you can do 3C. But after, starting at 400 and up through 900, you can only do like the 4C for 400. So what would 500 be? 500. 5C. 600. 600. And 700. 800. Yeah, I know, you were thinking it really hard. And then 900. And then I'll just clue you now. 1,000. So 1,000. I just do it like right here at the base of my hand, like that, 1,000. So 1,000. And you also have 1,000,000. And I think you can keep going, but at that point, like how many times that you do it, you could probably just go million or billion. Yeah, you keep going. Many, 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 yes. So now you guys officially know all of your numbers. So, yay! You are only going to get up to 100 this week, but now you actually know all of them.
So you know a lot of numbers.
I know you just do a whole way.
So then back
Yeah.
down the other way.
123, then you go 1,
100,
and then 20.
23.
Oh, 23.
Yeah, or yeah, 23. So you can put it together like that. Okay, so let's do a couple together then. Okay, we'll start off with our expressive ones. I want to see how you guys do it. 101. Okay, so you're going to do your 100, 100, and then 1. 100, 1. Okay, what about 311? 3. So make sure you got your 3. Good, 3s. 300, that's 11. 11. So 311. Okay, what about 82? Okay, so you're going to start on your middle finger and your thumb. Got our 8s, 82. Okay, do we move our hands or do we leave them in the exact same spot? 82. Good. Okay, what about 44? Good. What about 14? 14. Good. I know it's the easy ones that are throwing you guys off. Now you had it. Okay, so just make sure you're waving yourself and you're just tucking your thumb. It's like a 4. Just wave this way. Yeah, so just make sure your thumb's tucked in, or that'd be 15. So you got your 14s.
So 13.
Is it the 16?
So 13 is this way, then 14 is in 15. Yeah.
The 16 starts with
Yeah,
the
16
10,
starts the 10-6. Yeah, I noticed you guys are going for the 10-4, but didn't quite have the same thing.
17.
Oh, yeah, you were close to that one, huh? Okay, so what about 2001?
Oh,
Okay, so 2001. Very nice. Okay, now also just so you guys know, if you're talking about the year, let's say I was talking about the year 2001, rather than I have 2001 things, something like that. Yes, not dollars, doll outfits. Yes. Okay, but if it was like the year 2001, then you would actually do 2001, like 2001. So that would be what you would sign for the year. 2001. And for the 00, you just kind of slide. So 2, 0, slide over 1. Yeah, there you go. We can go around and do our birthdays for the 2 people in the front row. Okay, now for 2012, then we sign 2012. We actually sign like how you would say 2012. But if I was talking about 2012, what would you sign? Like 2012 items. Doll hairs. 2012. Because you're referring to an amount of something. Okay, what about 37?
how do you say doll hairs?
Doll. This is doll. So like with an X, right here. Doll.
No.
Hairs. Okay, so if there was 37 doll hairs, what would you sign? With the doll hairs. 37. 37.
What happened to
Yay, one person followed the directions and did doll hairs. Good job.
What happened to the rest of the doll hairs?
I don't know. I think we got lost somewhere. They didn't end up in my room.
You know they had a movie on where the little boy did his sign. It's that one.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, let's see, one more. Actually, let's do a couple of these. How about 67?
Wait a minute, I didn't get to the 37.
Oh, 37. I didn't say it, did I? 37. So you just do 37.
Okay, 37.
37, yeah. Okay, do 67. Okay? 67. Okay, so smaller number to the outside, so that'd be your 6, and then 7 to the inside. So 67, or this way, do 67. Okay, what about 98?
Okay, 8.
Good, yeah. Okay, so 98. 98. Okay, what about 25? 25, good. Okay, what about 23? 23, good job with your 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay. Now the difference between 23 and 25 is that you have to tuck in these two for 23. So you have 25 with like a 5, and then 23 you have like a 3. 23. Okay. What about 11? What about 1, 3? Nice, very good. Okay, what about 7? What about 13? It's okay. No, you got it. 13. Okay, so make sure you're starting with the 3 shape. And turn it and wake yourself. 13. Okay. Okay, what about 15? 15. Good. Yes, you have an open hand. Okay, what about 16? So you're 10, 6. What about 19? Okay, what about 21? 21, good. Okay. What about 44? You did that one.
What? You already did that
44.
one.
I know, I repeated that one. Good job, you're paying attention. Wow. Okay, and how about 300? Okay, so make sure you start with your 3 hand shape. Check that first on yourself before I look around. You got your 3. Okay, so what can you do? What are your 2 options? You can go 3C, or you can do the 3 and then pull back into 100. Okay, so we have 300 or 300. Yeah. It's kind of like that, yeah. It's kind of like the abbreviated version of a C. So it's still the same idea. So yeah, you're right. The 300, the 3. Okay. So let's go back to our receptive numbers quiz. So I am going to sign a number, and I want you guys to figure out what it is. Okay? So I will sign it 3 times, and the 3rd time after, then I'll ask you guys what the number was. Okay, ready? Okay. Okay, who got that? Good. Okay, one more time. Okay, so what was the number?
36.
36. Good job. Okay. How about this one? Okay. Try it again. Good. Okay, one more time. Okay, what was the number?
97.
97. Good. Okay, let's try this one. Wait, that was only the first time. I didn't even get to say 2 more times and pull everything out. Okay, we'll pretend that didn't happen. We're going to try that one more time. Okay, ready? Think about it.
Yeah.
What hand shape was I using? Make sure you know. Good. Okay. One more time. Ready? Okay, what was the number?
66.
66. Good job. Okay, let's try. Or I could also sign. Okay, good. 4. Okay, so what was the number?
103.
Good, 103, yes. Okay, let's try this one. It's a long one, it's okay. Oh, you got it. Good, okay, ready? I was lazy, I totally didn't go all the way back to a C on that one, but. Okay, ready? One more time. Okay, hold on. You got it. Okay, ready? Oh, wait. No, that was
I was like, oh, wait a minute.
good job. Good. Okay, yeah, okay.
It was a trick question.
Yeah, it was totally a trick question. Good job, you guys. Yeah, okay.
Which one?
Okay, ready? One more time. What hand shape is this? What is this?
9.
9. Okay. Okay, so what was the answer?
2,492.
Good job, 2,492. Unless, of course, you thought it was 2,942 when I decided.